What's up, guys? It's Biggs MarketOpen. Hey, I wanted to take this time to address a question that we get a lot in the room or in the group on Facebook. Okay, so we have a lot of new people that are looking to invest, trade, or just in general learn what to do in the market. So I wanted to put this down on a list that's very easy to follow. So we get this question a lot is, okay, I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing, but I want to learn. So what are the steps that somebody needs to take to be able to basically move forward in the financial trading, investing world? So the first thing that you need to do is study. Number one is study. Number two would be opening up a paper trading account. Thinkorswim has a very good paper trading account. I've heard of some other games. Maybe MarketWatch might have one. There's several apps out there as well that are not real. So it's not real money. So you can learn how the market moves, what it does, and basically just play around and see if you're right on certain things. I mean, you might have ideas that that would work very well for you, or you can basically just back test a lot of these things. So you have to study, open up a paper trading account, and then you also need to figure out, next step would be figure out what kind of investor or trader do you want to be. So there's three types of people, or of traders. So I actually made a video a couple months ago on these exact things. So you can actually go back and it breaks it down a little bit more in detail. But you can either be a day trader, which you're buying and selling within one day. You can be a swing trader. If you have a full-time job or you have a very busy schedule, that means that you buy your shares and then you set your stop and you just let it go, and you check on it periodically just to make sure that it's going the right direction and it's doing what it's supposed to. So you basically just buy it, you set your stop, and then you just forget about it until you get a ping on your phone and you've hit your target, or unfortunately you stopped out. So that's what swing trading is. Or you can become an investor if you're looking for more long-term, maybe have an IRA that you want to trade or to invest for the long term as well. So you're basically just buying and holding for a very long time. Investing would mean that you think that the company is going to go up over a period of time. Perhaps they have really good dividend share. They pay back a lot of the money every quarter. So you need to figure out which of these you are, or what kind of fits your style, your schedule basically, and what you can work with. And then the next step that you need to do is you need to open up a real account. So opening up a real account with real money. So then at first you need to start off smaller, because obviously 90% of losers, or 90% of traders lose. So that means that you need to start off with very small share size and just become comfortable losing a certain amount of money. Perhaps you'll be right some of the times and your strategy does work, but you need to be able to go back and back test a lot of the things and strategies that you've worked out previously. Perhaps you have a mentor, maybe you have somebody that can help you kind of figure out your own strategy. It's really hard to follow somebody and do exactly as they do. Most of the times you'll find out that you'll actually end up losing money. So recap, paper trading account, you need to study, you need to open up a real account. And then the last thing would probably be refining your strategy. So coming up with your own system of trading. So you'll find out that basically every guru out there, every major trader out there has kind of narrowed down exactly what they're good at. They're either good at trading small cap stocks, which means stocks under $10, mid-range around $20, $30, large caps over $40, $50, up to $200. Perhaps you're good at that. And that's better for your risk management. So you need to be able to narrow down what you're good at and stick to that. And then basically just backlog a lot of this stuff and make sure that your strategy is profitable, and then you should be on your way to accomplishing your goal, whether it's to quit your job, make more money on the side, or help your parents, pay off your car, pay off your house, or whatever you have set for yourself. So hopefully that helps you guys out. It gives you step by step on things that you need to do. Obviously we can go into detail and those things, and we could talk about those forever. But you know, that's what the room is for. Ask any questions if you guys do have them. Make sure to join our Facebook group, or you can also just leave a comment down in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. Until then, I'll talk to you guys next time.